Very good morning, my dear student. This is Narayan Academy, and the class will be helpful for CA CMA foundation student. And previous session I have discussed about the simple interest. Now I am going to discuss about the compound interest. And please subscribe my channel so you can get the updates. Now we can go to the topic. The formula for simple interest, what we studied in previous session is simple interest nothing but P into I into T. Principal, interest and number of years. This is the basic sum. And next we are going to see about a compound interest. The compound interest which will be useful for a bank calculation, bank interest calculation. Whenever you buy a loan, they will give a schedule. The schedule is based on the compound interest only. The formula for compound interest, AN is equal to P1 plus I power of n. Then what is AN? AN nothing but the accrued amount, and P is a principal, N is the number of conversion period, and I is the rate of interest. See, what is number of conversion period? Now we can discuss. For conversion, we are going to discuss conversion period, description, number of conversion period in a year. 1 day, it's compound daily and it's 365. 1 month, compounded monthly and 12 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 3 month, quarterly. 4 quarters in a year, 4 quarters. 4 3s are 12. 6 month, semi-annually, compounded semi-annually. So 2. Number of conversion period in a year is 2. 12 month, annually 1. You can calculate as 12 months. This is 4 3s are 12. 2 6 are 12. This is an easy way. 1 month is equal to 12, and in a year that's a 12 month, and 3 months is equal to quarterly. In a year that's a 4 quarters, and 6 months is equal to semi-annually. 6 into 2, 6 into 12, 12, and 12 months is equal to annual. Please carefully note on this. My dear friends, today in before session I have said the basic formula, and now I am going to discuss about the advanced formula of compound interest. AN is equal to P1 plus I. And what is I? The I is equal to interest, and the I out we are going to calculate annual rate of interest divided by number of conversion period per year. Annual rate of interest, okay va? Divided by number of conversion per period per year. Where interest is equal to, we are going to find the interest. Interest is equal to AN minus P, where P is equal to 1 plus I power of n minus P. And the final formula what we are going to do is P is equal to 1 plus I power of n minus P. And this is the advanced level what you will get in the exam. And this is the basic sums when you do. I will describe the sums, basic sums, and then we will move to the advanced formula. And n is equal to total conversion, that is, and T is equal to number of conversion per year. I think that you are clear in the compound interest formula. Please note down this. Now I am going to take a sum. Please note down this. Rupees 2000 is invested at the annual rate of interest of 10%. What is the amount after 2 years is compounding is done? Annually, semi-annually, quarterly and monthly. I am going to explain step by step. First we can go on annually. What is the formula for compound interest? AN is equal to P1 plus I power of n. This is the basic formula. What is P? P is 2000 and I is 10%, 10 divided by 100, 0.10, and n is 2 years. And we have to insert in the formula 2000 1 plus 0.10 0.10 power of 2. 2000 1.10 power of 2. 2000 1.10 we have to take 1.10 into 1.10. We will get 1.21. you have to multiply with 2000, you will get 2420. This is the final answer. Please take notes. Done for annually. An is equal to P 1 plus I power of n. This is a formula. And what is the P? P is 2000, I is 10%, 10 divided by 100, 0.10, n is 2 years. In this we are going to be inserting this 2000, 1 plus 0.10 power of 2. When we solve this, we will get An is equal to 2420. Please take a notes. And we finished annually. And second, we are going to do semi-annually. Semi-annual is what? 6 months. That's all. And here it will be 2 into 6, 12 months. So we are going to divide this 0.10 divided by 2, and number of years 2 into 2, 4. So we are going to, what we are going to change is, in interest we are going to change 0.10 will get 10 divided by 100, 0.10 divided by 2. What is 2 is semi conversion method. 0.10 divided by 2, 0.10 divided by 2, you will get 0.05, and 2 years it is semi, when it converted to conversion method, 2 into 2, 4. So we have to insert the formula. 2000 1 plus 0.05 power of 4. 2000 1.05 power of 4. 1.05 into 1.05, 2000 product 1.21550 into 2000. 2431 amount of An is equal. This is the answer for semi-annually. See, for semi-annually you will get 2431. Please take notes. Then I am going to take the quarterly. Easiest one. For annual, number of years it will not change. N is equal to 2 and I is equal to 10%. You will get 0.10. For semi-annually, you are going to divide by 2, because on conversion method they are changing. I is equal to 0.10 divided by 2 and number of years 2 into 4. This is the changes in semi-annually. Now we are going to see a quarterly. In a year, that will be a 4th quarter. 4 quarters is equal to 1 month, 1 year. So we are going to divide by 0.10 divided by 4. 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 2000 1 plus 0.10 divided by 4, you will get 0.025. 0.025 power of 8. 2000 1.025 power of 8. 1.025 2000 into 1.21840. When you multiply with 2000, you will get 2436.80. This is for quarterly. We are going to change in interest and in number of years. For quarterly, for a per year, there will be a four quarters. 1 year is equal to 4 quarters. So when you convert the interest in conversion method, 0.1 divided by 4 will get 0.025. When you convert the number of years, 2 into 4, 4 to 8. You are going to insert the formula 2001 plus 0.025 power of 8. When you solve this, you will get 2436.80. I think that you are clear in quarterly. So take a notes. I am going to take for monthly. In monthly, 12 months is equal to 1 year. So what we are going to do in this interest, we are going to change 0.10 divided by 12 and 12 into 2, 24 months on conversion method. 1.0 divided by 12 we will get 0.00833. It goes out. We are going to stop in 833, 4 digit. So we are going to insert the formula 2001 plus 0.00833 power of 24. 2001 plus 00833 power of 24. 1 plus 00833 1 plus 33. You will get 2000 1.22029. And we convert, you get 2405. This is the final answer. See, we are changing in number of years and interest. This is a conversion method. We are doing monthly. 12 months is equal to 1 year. So, the interest 0.10 divided by 12 we will get 0.00833. In number of years, 2 years, 12 into 2, 24 months. So, when we insert in the formula, we will get the 2000. We will get the answer 2440.58 AM. Take a notes. 2000 into 1.22029. When we product this, multiple this, AN is equal to 2440.58. And this is the easiest method to do the sum in shortcut ways. Annual is 1 year, semi-annual is 6 months, 2 into 6, 12, and quarterly 4 quarters is equal to 1 year, and monthly 12 months is equal to 1 year. That's the easiest way. Please take a notes. And I am running institute in Pondicherry Narayana Academy, and my contact number is 908-703-9899, and I have channel in Telegram also, Sri Narayana Academy. If you have any doubts related to questions, you can call me and you can also ask me. I will clarify you, and you can post in the Telegram channel also. And thank you.